Welcome or welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by today's title of the video, we are getting into the Sephora Spring Savings event. So if you want to see my personal recommendations and what I'll be picking up during this sale, let's get into it. So the Sephora Savings event is from April 14th to April 21st, as you all know. And if you don't know, Rouge members get first dibs, which they get to start shopping on April 14th. VIB and Insiders gets to start shopping on April 18th. Sephora collection is for 30% off. Rouge members gets 20% off. VIB gets 15% off. And Insiders gets 10% off. I am definitely ready. I already have my cart ready. This is something that I've been debating for like 2 weeks now. I've been adding items, taking away items. The only items that I have not added to my cart as of yet that you won't see in today's video is anything from the Sephora collection. It's already affordable, but I definitely will be taking advantage of the 30% because I mean, a sale is a sale. If you want to see what I get from the Sephora collection, let me know in the comments below, and I could probably do like an unboxing, follow up with you all to really show you what I got outside of what is already in my cart. So I have 6 solid products in my cart from brands carried at Sephora. Now there is a few items that I recently purchased from Sephora that I have yet to try, so I wish I would have been able to try them so that I can kind of recommend them to you all. I didn't get a chance to, so it is what it is, but somewhere down the line you will all get to see a review of some of these products that I've already purchased and the ones that I'm soon going to be purchasing from this sale. So first up is the Fresh Rose and Hyaluronic Acid Deep Hydration Moisturizer. I am obsessed with this moisturizer. This is one that I have used before. All the other items in my cart I have not used before, but this is one that I just absolutely had to add to my cart and take advantage of the sale because it is not cheap. You pay what you get for. You get what you pay for. There we go. You get what you pay for. When I say my skin feels so lush and so moisturized and hydrated going to sleep and waking up, because I incorporate this moisturizer into my night routine and it's game changing. It smells good. It's just a luxurious experience every time that I use it. If you're looking into a new moisturizer, or if you want to try a new moisturizer, I highly recommend you try out this moisturizer. Next up, we have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. Now, I recently just ran out of the toner that I was using, so being able to add a new toner that I can try out and see how it works for me was definitely on my list. And if you don't know who she is, her name is Erin. She goes by the Melanin Method on Instagram and TikTok. She's an esthetician and she recommended this toner, and I really value her opinion on what she tries out, what she recommends. And when she recommended this toner and seeing the results that she achieved from this toner, I was sold. Always wanted to try something from Glow Recipe, so being able to scoop up this toner that I have nothing of, like I have no toner in my skincare routine right now, so this was absolutely needed. And with the ingredients such as PHA and BHA, I feel like that would help with my dark spots, with how my skin looks and feels, so I'm definitely excited to try this toner. Next up, we have the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Hella Thick Volumizing Mascara. Now this was kind of like an impulse add to cart. Now, I'm not big on mascara, but lately mascara has really been helping with just my overall eye look, with helping out with my lashes because I barely have lashes. It's a struggle putting on false lashes, let alone dealing with my actual lashes. So I just wanted to see how this works and seeing how it helps to volumize my own lashes, because that's where I really struggle in terms of my, like, I guess makeup look. I just added it to the cart just to add it. Next up, we have the Fenty Skin Watch Your Tone 5% Niacinamide Dark Spot Serum with Vitamin C. The Melanin Method, aka Erin, she recommended this in terms of dark spots, which I really struggle with. I already incorporated a vitamin C serum into my morning routine, but I would love to try this in my night routine just to see how it works, just to see how it does for my skin. Of course, there are just products that I just want to try for myself, and I'm just really sold on the niacinamide, the vitamin C, and being that it focuses on dark spots. That is the biggest reason why I added this to my cart. Being able to try this out from Fenty Skin is definitely a must. The last two products in my cart is from Iconiicbeauty, and it is their Melanin Berry Hair Milk Leave-In Conditioner and their Melanin Berry Vitamin C Frizz Fighting Hair Gel. I'm not a big gel girl, like, at all. I do not like gels, but this is focused on a more lightweight gel, which I'm more comfortable with because I like a lighter look for my twist outs. I don't like all the crunch. I like more volume. If the gel can give me a little bit of hold while also giving me a little bit of volume, I'm here for it. My girl Farron over at Hey Naughty Girl on Instagram and on TikTok, she tried this pair out recently on colored hair. You all know I have colored hair, and her results were beautiful. So that is what really sold me and confirmed to me that this duo purchase is right up my alley. So I can't wait to try that out. So if you want to see me actually testing out those two products and giving you all my results and my thoughts on it and my review, let me know in the comments. My recommendations consist of 2 hair care brands, 2 skincare brands, and 1 beauty brand. The one product is from the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer and the Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Liquid Foundation. The reason why I love this primer is because it's so lightweight, and I just love how it glides onto my skin. It makes for a really good palette when putting on my foundation. This is the foundation that I always wear. If it's not broken, I don't fix it. This foundation has never let me wrong. The only issue that I used to have in the beginning when I used to wear this foundation is because I was using the wrong color. But now that I've found my color, I just love, like, it's so smooth onto the skin. It literally does not move. I just love how it feels. It feels lightweight. It feels like my skin. Like, sometimes I forget that this foundation is on my face. So if you're in the market for a primer and or a foundation, I definitely recommend these two by Fenty Beauty. I mean, get into it. Next on my list is 2 skincare products that I recommend. The first is from The Ordinary. It is their salicylic acid 2% exfoliating blemish solution. This is supposed to target acne and blemishes. And when I say this stuff here works so well, first week that I used it, I literally thought it wasn't for me because of how my skin was reacting. It was something that I had to learn that I could only use every other day, once a day. Just having to kind of ride through that process of my skin purging, being irritated. I did some research and I knew that these are things that can pop up, and it definitely happened. When I say after I got past that part of it, my skin looked so good. I've seen a significant decrease in my acne, how my skin feels, the texture of my skin. Like, this has been a huge contributor to how my skin has improved over the last 2 weeks, and I 1000% recommend if you struggle with acne. Now, I'm not no dermatologist. I'm not telling you this is the one all be all. I'm just saying that this worked for me and helping me to really start to really getting my skin in a place of health, if that makes sense. Okay, and as I mentioned in what's in my cart, what I recommend as well is the Fresh Rose and Hyaluronic Acid Deep Hydration Moisturizer. I already gave y'all the spill on why I love it, why I recommend it. Take advantage where the sale is, because this stuff is not cheap, but every penny of it is worth it. And of course, this wouldn't be a video to make it on my channel if it did not include hair care. Of course, it's gonna include hair care. That's what this channel was built on. So of course, the remainder of these products are going to be hair care products, but they're going to be from 2 specific brands. So first up, we're going to get into products from Curlsmith. First up, which is my favorite product from them, is their Multitasking Conditioner. And the reason why it's my favorite is because it's literally what it says. It's a multitasking conditioner. You can use it as a leave-in conditioner, you can use it as a rinse out, or you can use it as a deep conditioner. I've used it as all 3 and they work amazing. My hair feels so soft. A little definitely goes a long way. Like, you don't even have to be heavy-handed because it has a creamier consistency. It smells amazing. I'm so big on how a product smells, and this smells like candy. I have tightly textured hair, 4C hair, type 4 hair, however you want to categorize it. It works very well for me. It's easy to detangle with, and it works for myself, it works for my husband, and it works for my son. And we all have different hair textures, so there you have it. Next up is their Bouncy Strength Volume Hair Foam. I actually did a video in collaboration with my girl Imani. I'll go ahead and link it up here in the cards. When I say this mousse works so well, I love how it works. This is one that gave me like fluffy results. It gave me, you know, some definition. Though the video that I did was from a while ago, if you want me to do an updated video, I can, just to show you all how it works on now my color treated hair, just to give you all an update on it. If you want to see it, let me know and I could do that too. So last but not least, from Curlsmith is their Core Strength Shampoo. This shampoo, not only does it smell good like all of the other Curlsmith products, but I love how this lathers in my hair. My hair still feels so soft. It gets clean, but it still feels soft. When I say soft, you can detangle with this shampoo, which is my favorite thing. I love when I can detangle with a shampoo. And when you rinse it out, like, my hair just feels so soft. It does not feel stripped. When I go in with the deep conditioner, especially that multitasking one, that combo, they are from the same collection from Curlsmith, but chef's kiss. So last but not least, from the Curlsmith products is the bonding oil. And the reason why I really like this bonding oil is because what it claims is what it does. It claims to seal in your cuticles, add shine, help hair look and feel healthier. It not only does the job for my natural hair, but it does the job for my headband wig. Like, you see the shine? I put some on before coming on the camera and my hair has shine, my hair still has bounce, and it's lightweight, which I really like. So it does not weigh the hair down, it does not leave the hair feeling any kind of stringy, and that's on the headband wig. So just imagine on the natural hair, like, it really helps my color treated hair more vibrant, look more healthier. Love the oil. I love how lightweight it is. I love how it adds shine. This is a great oil. If you're into oils, if you want to try oil, I recommend. So this is the K-Skin Owl Glow Face Moisturizer, SPF 45 with sea moss and niacinamide. When I say Winnie Harlow did her thing on this SPF moisturizer, she did the damn thing. The packaging is beautiful. I have it. Let me just go get it. Like, no kidding, y'all. The packaging is so beautiful and so sleek. The pump, easy to use. And when I say, when you apply this bad boy to the skin, it leaves no cast. It leaves no cast. I can't wait to use this as a layer prior to me applying my makeup, because I could just imagine what it does. And it gives a nice little glow, like a nice glow. Pick it up and try it out. Winnie Harlow, you did your thing. Last but not least, we're going to get into the other group of hair products that I wanted to recommend, and they're all from Pattern Beauty. Now, I did review these products on my channel a while back. I'll go ahead and leave it up in the cards, but I feel like I should do a update video. I've also did some Instagram reels that I'll drop in the description below, but I really feel like I need to do an updated video. If you want to see an updated video of me using Pattern Beauty products, let me know in the comments and I'll do so. But the products that I'm really obsessed with from Pattern Beauty, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the Transition Mask. Applying it to my hair, I just love how it feels. Does wonders. Now, it can be used after or before you put in a protective style. I've been using it as a pre-poo treatment. I think I've used it one time prior to or after putting in Passion Twist. I don't remember which way it was, but it does the job. And the smell doesn't bother me. My husband doesn't like the smell, but that's a really good product. I recommend. Next up is their Hydrating Shampoo. This shampoo, oh my gosh, I just love, I know I keep saying this about a lot of products, but everything that I recommend, I'm recommending it for a reason. And this Hydrating Shampoo is literally a hydrating shampoo. It lathers so well. When you're rinsing it out, you just feel how luscious, good your hair feels. Like, you know how when you're dehydrated and you're thirsty, when your hair is dehydrated and thirsty and gets hydration, that's what this shampoo does. That's what this shampoo does. And of course, along with the shampoo, next up is going to be their intensive conditioner. Now, this conditioner, first of all, is a thick one. Thick, 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 thick. This is a thick conditioner. When I say thick, like squeezing out the bottle is a little bit of a struggle because it's a thick one. I love me a thick conditioner because it just really slathers onto my hair, and the slip on this bad boy, unmatched. Literally unmatched. So those were all of my recommendations for the Sephora savings event. Let me know if there's anything that I recommended that you might be picking up now, because trust me, you won't be disappointed. Let me know if you will be shopping the event and what your recommendations are. If you are not already, be sure to subscribe to this channel so that you can see some more from me. If you made it this far in the video, shout out to you, and until the next one, bye.